Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious caramel glaze for your donuts. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need half a cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of packed light brown sugar, and a 1/4 cup of whole milk. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and 2 cups of powdered sugar. Having everything ready and at room temperature will make the process much smoother and ensure a perfectly creamy glaze every time. Now, let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, melt your half cup of unsalted butter over medium heat. Once melted, stir in the 1 cup of brown sugar and the 1/4 cup of milk until the sugar is completely dissolved. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, stirring constantly for about 2 minutes. This step is crucial for developing that rich, deep caramel flavor we're looking for. After boiling, remove the caramel mixture from the heat immediately. Now, it's time to add that wonderful aroma and flavor with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk it in thoroughly. Next, gradually incorporate the 2 cups of powdered sugar, whisking continuously until the glaze is completely smooth and reaches a thick, pourable consistency. If it's too thick, add a tiny bit more milk, 1 teaspoon at a time. With your perfect caramel glaze ready, it's time for the best part, glazing your donuts. Dip each donut into the warm glaze, ensuring it's fully coated, then lift it and let any excess drip back into the bowl. Place your beautifully glazed donuts on a wire rack to set for about 15 to 20 minutes. They'll firm up nicely, creating that irresistible, shiny finish. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.